Hello guys, previously we have discussed super dead load and wind load from our previous tutorial, and today we will discuss the seismic loading patterns. So let's begin. First, we will create new load pattern as EQX, represent X direction. Choose the seismic as type of loading, and then auto lateral load. So we'll choose ACE 7-10 and click OK. Yes. So okay, yeah, add new load and then modify load. So we have new window showing the parameters for seismic loading, and we will discuss this one first. So use of spectral acceleration based on ASCE 7-010 is recognized as an alternative procedure for determining earthquake forces. So you can see the one we choose is ASCE 7-10 seismic loading. So we will uncheck all the XDR. Only will remain XDR plus eccentricity, and remain this eccentricity ratio, all the 0.05. Use define T, where T is we can find on our NSCP, and I already make it computation. So based on this computation, T was computed and it's around 5848. And then story range, water tank base up to base level. Okay, so that means covered all the whole level of our building. If the plinths you choose, that means the ground level is not covered, so we need to choose the base. So that means from head to two of the building is choose. Then our moment resisting frames for concrete reinforced concrete structure. R is response modification is 8.5. Then the system overstrength omega 2.8. So deflection, we'll just keep it at ease. And occupancy structures for important factors is 1. Then all of this just keep at ease. 0.2 seconds spectral acceleration, 2.29. So as per this ASCE SE-7 is using spectral acceleration is recognized as alternative determination for earthquake loadings. On this site class, I will choose the B as the area is rocky area. Then I will click OK. Then we will make another load. So another load pattern, EQY on Y direction, same seismic, then same auto lateral load. Modify auto lateral load, we will uncheck all the X direction and eccentricity, and we will just remain one Y direction and eccentricity and keep all the same. So we will change the T, the time period, 0.5848, 8.5 the response modification R, system overstrength omega 2.8, and then click OK. Now we have already the EQX, EQY, or the seismic load patterns. So you can let us recheck everything. So modify lateral load, so it's automatically round off, and I will try to change it in 48. Same, okay. So that means our X seismic loading is okay. Then this one, the same is happening. Okay guys, so on the next tutorial we will discuss about assigning of load for our structural frame and shell. Okay, see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.